Today we are celebrating our college annual fest. Actually, it is named as Potpourri. It's a combination of exciting games and lot of food, which is prepared by the students themselves with the help of their mothers and cooks at homes. And it's all mix of the food is also mix of the different varieties, wherein the students have got students have got the variety of the regional cuisines of entire overall India. So you can see a lot of things, and the students are very excited. Basically, idea behind doing this fest was there is one thing. This is done by the new students, the new academic year students. We wanted to have generate a quality of self confidence in them. So, and how to be in news. That's one thing. So these were the two qualities we want to explore in them. So we thought to start with, this is the right time, and this fest would really help them boost their self confidence and to know them amongst each other, because they are new now. So they will know their friends, their faculties, they will know us properly. So and they will also understand in case if they have to be in news and how they have to capture the media towards them. So that were two things we wanted to do. And basically, it is all about the students' excitement, and we wanted them to enjoy a bit after 3 months tedious studies they have come up. So it's been 3 months they have joined. So we wanted some program to be done. So this year we have around 250 students who have joined. We have come up our branch at Banjara Hills also. So there also we are getting good response. Abbots, we have a very good response. Banjara Hills, it's an independent building, complete campus building, where we are going to give a state-of-the-art infrastructure to all of our students, giving them the very good facilities which the institutes of the same repute will also not be able to give. Today you can find, I can say there is some Kerala dish, asanglang, some dishes there, which is I found it very nice and tasty, and you can find sumptuous pani puri and corn samosas, corn sandwiches, and there is a choco fudge. And chicken biryani is one which they have named it as Banjara biryani. So that is one which is also we have, and there are a lot of other stalls also. But in mocktails there are orange delight, and they have made some smoothies to be served, and they are all priced at very minimal price, so that the students can also earn some profits out of it.